Moving on, the HCL Squash National Doubles Championship returns to India's southern city of Chennai after 17 years. And it is all set to take place from the 13th till the 15th of May. The winners will get a chance to represent India at the Asian Squash Doubles Championship tournament in Malaysia from the 4th till the 7th of July. In an exclusive conversation with DD India, top officials of the Squash Rackets Federation of India say the main objective of the tournament is to improve the skills of players so that they can perform better at global competitions. Take a listen.
Squash Federation has announced Chennai doubles is starting. The game is starting. What is new? And one more thing I have just read in your release that grassroots squash. What is that? Can you explain about it?
We've got 3 events, which is the men's doubles, the women's doubles, and the mixed doubles. It's happening after many years because we have felt that doubles is an area where the Indian squash players have been doing well, and we've not had a national event. So that's why we're going to have a national event. We possibly will even look at having some different doubles events as well. With our grassroots program, we are looking at going to corporation schools, we are looking at going to private schools and spreading the awareness of squash. So once we do that, we will try and get people who are not aware of squash, who don't have the wherewithal or the facilities to play squash. We give them the facility.
What is new Federation is looking forward?
Now for the younger generation today, there is this new thing called mentoring and making sure that you are mentally prepared for any event. Either it's a single game or even 2 games, you have to be mentally prepared. There, what happens is when you have that done, it gives you that little extra 3-4% where you can definitely win, which is very important. Not many people realize it today, but it's common in the Western world. So slowly, one by one, if you had asked me whether I have done it 5 years ago, no. Why am I doing it now? Because people are more aware that you need this support. It's a brain training program to ensure you are focused on your sport and you are focused on what you are doing during those 3 days. It is very important, which we realize now. And since we have more what one would call players in the top hundreds, so we would like them to have this benefit.
What is HCL is view, and HCL is trying from their side to actually help the federation and also the common to benefit the country.
Our aims and objectives in this are similar, that just like SRFI is focused on building the great players for the country to win accolades for the country. So we have a similar view. We'd also like to do the same. And in a sense, that's why we are, given that our, in a sense, vision matches, so that's why we're working so closely with them. And I think both of us recognize that it is not a matter of doing just 1 or 2 things. To consistently build this, there are many things that needs to be done, which includes, as Cyrus mentioned, looking at the grassroots, as Mr. Ramchandran mentioned, looking at their mental training and how best to make that better. So, and there are so many other things, looking at coaches, looking at referees, looking at doing more and more tournaments, so that people can play against some of the best in the world, so they can then improve.
So this is a Squash Federation, which is saying that the game is going deep down the country. So that is why we are seeing participation a lot more in in coming days and coming future. We can see a lot more participation for the game, and also Federation is well prepared to train these sports personalities. With camera person Raghavan, Ritesh Ranjan, DD India, Chennai.